Hey everybody, so we're on our way to Ross. My mom is taking me, so shout out to my mom for taking me. And yeah, today's the first day that they open here in California where I live. So I'm really excited, and I hope that they obviously have a lot of good deals. And a lot of resellers were saying that they did open up 2 hours before they said they were going to. On the website it says they're opening at 10, but they opened at 8 for some reason. So to avoid like overcrowding of people, so we're gonna go right now 2 hours before, and hopefully they're open and they have a lot of good deals. All right, let's go, guys. We in here, they're about to open soon. We got our mask on.
Guys, the stocking carts are clean for you guys. You guys can grab them.
Thank you.
Ready to go. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna go this way if you want to come.
Out of the way.
Alrighty guys, so we're literally right next in line, and they have like these little plexiglass, or however you say it, right in front of like the Ross employees. So I'm about to show that to you. It's pretty crazy. See, they have like a little glass right there. It's pretty crazy, honestly. And yeah, I'm about to be next, so I'm about to show you guys how much I cash out. Alright, later man, have a good one.
Have a great one, guys.
Canceling, babe. We'll begin again tonight.
The line of what it looks like when I left. Oh wow, it's longer than when we first got there. We got there like at 8:20, and they said we're supposed to open at like at 10, and the line is super long.
So good thing we came early, and we came at 8:30 because we made line probably right in front of
here.
Bye Bye Baby.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And we didn't have all this heat. So it's a good thing we came early because it wasn't this hot.
And then especially because literally everyone who was there like around 8:20, like us, who were like an hour and like 40 minutes before it opened, literally everyone had a cart full. So there might not even be that good of deals anymore. It's crazy. Alright guys, this is Ross number 2. I'm here with my mom, and I'm gonna show you guys the line. It's not too bad actually. And yeah, let me show you guys the line. Honestly, it is pretty long, and on the back it wraps around like really long. Like I'm about to show you guys how long it is. Look, very very long, but compared to what I've seen online, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait here. Hopefully there's still some stuff. I doubt it, but it's worth a shot. It was like, I'd say like 10 minutes away from my house. Yeah, let's go in, hopefully it's good stuff. Yeah, later guys. Alright guys, we're at Ross number 2. Still not like that. These spoons are pretty cool. Not like that. This is the better deal. So at the moment guys, this is what my cart is looking like. I got this full cart right here, and this one's like kind of halfway, not really, but yeah, good progress so far. Honestly, the majority of the stuff I got was probably golf shoes, but I got 2 Air Force Ones, so I thought that was pretty sick. Pretty nice bottom, a little dirty, but I can clean them up. $35 each, these and these, so I'd say that's a W right there for sure, without a doubt. And basically all the baseball cleats are like $3. I don't really know if I'm gonna get the baseball cleats. Kind of debating still, but we'll see. I mean, $3, I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. So I might just get a few. We'll see. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys pick up shoes with track shoes without the spikes. These are only $3.99, so I don't think they have the spikes, but I don't know. I might just pick them up. They're only $3.99, so I mean, it's like dirt cheap, honestly. No, I'm just organizing my stuff, but I am gonna get them. Yeah, trust me, I got it. I'm in line now where I'm almost done. There's literally like probably like 6 people ahead of me. I'm just organizing my stuff now, so it won't be more of a hassle when I'm in front of the cashier. My mom's gonna record me.
3 hours later.
Oh, Jesus. Hey guys, so I just got back home from my Ross's reopening and buying all the shoes that I did, and honestly I was pretty excited to be back sourcing at Ross and to just be back at Ross and just buy shoes and stuff like that. So it was pretty awesome to be back. And also that they're starting to reopen again, so that hopefully it'll be back to normal pretty soon. And also I just want to let you guys know I will be making a separate video of the haul that I got and all the shoes that I got. I will be going into detail of how much I bought it for and how much I plan on selling it for. And I also want to apologize for, like, I did make a little bit of mistakes. It was my first time making a video of me sourcing at Ross. I had never made one before, and especially because it was the Ross reopening, so there was a ton of people, super packed. I was just focusing a lot on trying to get as many shoes as I could and to try to just beat my competition, basically, because there's so many other resellers out there. I wanted to beat them, and I didn't want, like, me making line to be for nothing, you know. So I just need to get better at doing both. It was only my first time, so I apologize for that, but I will get better as time progresses, so be patient with me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Later, guys.